Hey, what's up DIYers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking toilets today, and in the event that your toilet is not flushing, we're going to show you what happened to ours. And long story short, the flush handle and shaft has broken. We need to replace it. Let's get started. DIYers, as we make our way inside the bathroom, here's our toilet, and likely the only tool we will need during the project. Down below in the comments and description will be a link. And again, here's the toilet. And unfortunately, literally nothing. What we'll do is remove the top cover and take a look inside. Camera now positioned looking directly at the tank cap or cover. In DIYers, we are going to remove this and take two things into consideration. Number one, it's heavy, and number two, if you drop it, it will shatter. So again, just be careful, and it will likely leak a little bit of water. And I'm going to set the cover in the tub. And again, coming inside, and I see exactly what the problem is. Coming up top and to the front, and let's take a closer view. Again, I see exactly what the problem is. You see down inside the tank is a black plastic shaft connected to the chain, and that connects to that part right there. And again, this is completely broke. And time to get wet. The good thing is this water is clean. It's not actual toilet water yet. I'm going to come in and grab a hold of this. And again, that part connected right there, and every time we shifted the handle down, it basically pulled up and pulled the bottom seal up and flushed. Watch, just like that. However, again, it is broken. So what I'm going to do is carefully remove this little piece or shaft from that little clip there. All you have to do is compress the clip together and remove it from this plastic shaft. And then we'll remove the handle. As shown there, and I'll just kind of rest the clip right there. And there it is, broken. Taking a step back, we are now going to direct our attention to the lever or handle. And on the back side is a plastic nut, and we are going to use that adjustable wrench and loosen it and pull that old broken piece out. To a different camera angle, and again directing our attention to the inner nut and lever, and as you can see, again, that needs to be removed and replaced, grabbing our adjustable wrench as shown here. And once you loosen it up with the wrench, you should be able to remove it by hand. And after you remove the nut, there it is, you can basically pull the entire lever out, and there it is. Back out front, and let's take a closer look at where the lever was removed, and it is a square cut in the ceramic, as you can see there. And you can clean it if it's dirty. Making our way to the workstation, and in front of us is the brand new piece. Down below in the comments and description will be several links to replacement parts, because yours might not look like this. It might be brass or metal or aluminum, and it might be a chrome finished lever or handle. Here it is removed from the packaging, and one thing I noticed is the nut itself is reverse thread, so we will tighten it by turning that nut counterclockwise. Next, I grabbed the old part, which is on the bottom, brand new part on top, and we want to take a look at the exact length of the old part, compare it with the new one, and as you can see, the new one is longer. It has this additional extension with the 3 holes on it, and both old and new rods have the word cut engraved or etched on them. And if we reference both of the large blocks here, we are going to make the cut here, because if we compare the two, they're exactly the same as you see. And the first tool I will use or try is this one right here. Down below in the comments and description will be a link to this. And I'm just going to come in and basically grab it right there and pinch it in place and cut it. And as you see, that part flew. However, quite a clean cut, as you see right there. Let's go get this brand new part installed. Back inside the bathroom with a brand new piece, and you actually do have to remove this lock ring or nut. And after loosening up from the thread, just shift it off the shaft there, set that aside, and come carefully in the hole and align the square cut of the handle as shown there. Bring the lock nut on and secure it. And again, reverse thread, so we are turning it counterclockwise. Hand tight, followed by grabbing our adjustable wrench and securing it. Do not over tighten it, but you want it a little snug where this is not flimsy. After that, grabbing the little clip and chain, and I'll bring that over and onto the little insert that we took it off the old one. Back up front and up top, let's take a closer view. Starting with the handle, as you see, brand new, looks good, matches, it's white. Coming inside here, the shaft is angled slightly and the clip is back resecured. And as you see, right there. From here, what do you think? Let's test it. Much better. Back up and operating properly. Tank is now fully refilled. We'll test it a couple more times before putting on the cap or cover. And much better. Take a step back to your wires. We're going to test it a couple more times. And all is looking good. And in addition, down below in the comments and description will be helpful video links to replacing additional parts, including a seal in there in the event that you ever run into your toilet constantly flowing or running water. Even when the tank is full, you've got a bad seal, it needs to be replaced. In addition, replacing toilets and more. And if all looks good, which in our case it does, ever so carefully resecure the cover to the toilet. Back up front and one more flush. And it feels a lot firmer and brand new, and we like it. Thanks again for watching.